Stir fries are great when you want to throw together a quick meal for the family. To make them even easier, get yourself one of these stir fry pans, part of the professional quality MasterChef cookware range at Coles. From now until the 13th of July 2021, for every $20 you spend in one transaction when you scan your Flybuys card, you'll earn one MasterChef cookware credit. Once you've earned enough credits, redeem your cookware in store. I'm going to show you how to cook a delicious sticky honey chicken stir fry in this pan. But first, let me show you what makes this pan so good for stir frying. It has high sloping sides to make it easy to move ingredients around to help them cook quickly and evenly. You don't want your ingredients to fly out of the pan as you toss them around. It has a heavy base made from stainless steel with an aluminium plate inside. This helps it heat up fast so the ingredients start to cook as soon as you add them to the pan. Plus, you can use it on any cooktop, even induction. The non-stick coating has 3 layers reinforced with Swiss crystal powder, so it's less likely to scratch than basic non-stick pans. To avoid any scratches, make sure you don't use metal utensils for stir frying. Wooden or silicone ones are best. To get started on this stir fry, I'm going to marinate the chicken. Grab a jug, add the honey, soy sauce, garlic, and the vinegar. So mix this really well together. I've got a large bowl here with chicken thigh fillets, which I've cut into small pieces. I'm going to pour half of the honey mixture over the chicken, keeping the rest to use as a stir fry sauce later. So let's pour half of this over, and we're going to mix this really well. And then leave it to marinate for about 5 minutes. Time to start stir frying. Grab your stir fry pan, get it over a high heat with some oil. It's really important with stir frying that you don't overcrowd the pan. So cook the chicken in 3 batches and transfer to a bowl as you go. Stir fry each batch for about 4 minutes until brown and just cook through. So give the pan a wipe and then heat more oil for the veggies. Start with the onion. Stir fry for 2 minutes or until it softens. Now add the capsicum, carrot, and bok choy stems. Stir fry for about 3 minutes or until the vegetables are just tender. So when you return the chicken to the pan, pour in the reserved honey mixture. That's going to give you that delicious sticky sauce on the chicken. Then add the bok choy leaves. To thicken the sauce, mix 3 teaspoons of corn flour with 1 tablespoon of cold water. Now mix that really well. We're going to add that to the chicken and all the corn flour is dissolved. Keep stir frying until the sauce thickens. Then all you need to do is stir through some cashews. I've toasted these to bring out their flavour. This stir fry is perfect served with some simple steamed rice, finished with a sprinkle of chilli and some spring onions. There it is, sticky honey chicken stir fry, an easy weeknight meal to make in your MasterChef stir fry pan. And it's on the table in less than 30 minutes.